Today is the good day and good news that I am having my hands on a long-awaited clutch, customized clutch assembly, which is of for the three bells. I mean, like three plates assembly, and it's let's not get into the discussion. Let me just show you the thing. So this is not a usual one. This is a roller clutch assembly, not a ball clutch assembly. If you can see, this has a inner race, and this is how it looks. So that's it. This took almost more than 3 months to have my hands on because the material was not available, the other things were not working out, so I was just waiting for this to be worked upon, and last night I had have my hands on it. So I am going to work this out and keep it. This is not an easy upgrade. It is neither a cheap one. So I will fix this and share the performance with you guys. If anybody is looking at this one, do contact me. I can help them. This is the 3 plate. I can get the 4 plate and 5 plate clutch assembly done. Thank you. And just don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos, because this might help. My videos will help everybody, whoever is in need, and I tend to reply to every query I get, and that's how I keeps my support. So please appreciate my hard work and share as much as possible. Hit the like button and subscribe as well. Thank you.